Okay guys, once again, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is my video remedial from the middle test because yeah, the, there's nothing fun for my record. Okay, from the first, from my family members. My family is my greatest treasure. It's my that's why it make me happy every day. I think so. It make me badly. Yeah. Okay. I live at in the Karamukot village with my parents, with my younger sibling too. But then um my father name is Jatima, as I say. He worked as the construction building. Now now he 55 years old. Then secondly my mother name is Sophia. Her not work, just stay at home. And now her 50 years old. Then my first sibling as my sister. Oh yeah, and my sibling just one sister and four brothers, just one sister. Then my sister name is Nita Susilawati. Now her live at the Sesela village. He had married. Yeah, why not? Then he had two child now. And and my second sibling as my brother name is Ahmad Majid Fatoni. Nah, because Ahmad Majid Ahmad Majid Fatoni. Sorry. He works as the construction builder too, with it's the same work as my parents. Yes, too. And now him live at the Perempuan village. He had married and he had the two child. Then my third sibling, as my brother as my brother name is Ahmad Majid Fatoni. Ahmad apa? Muhammad Zamroni Ahyar. Nah, yes, that's sorry. Muhammad Zamroni Ahyar. Now him live at the Gili or the Sweta, I think, because as I say in my video, he works as the construction builder as the same work with my father and my second siblings. You know, yes, him had married and had one child. One child. I'm sorry, had one child. And the fourth child for my parents is me. Mine. Then my fourth sibling as my younger brother is name is Ilham Oktawijaya. Now him live. Now him now him studies at the elementary school number 3 Karambongkot. The located is back my home. Now him in the 6th class. Yeah, it was now him holiday. The him age is 12, I think. Yeah, that's all my family members. My grandparent has died no Don't asking, okay? Then, my daily activity. Always in the morning, I work, I I wake up on on 5 o'clock on this in the subuh to pray, and sometimes I go to walking in after subuh cause I need it. Why not? Who don't need sports? Okay, but sometimes not every day. Then after that, in my holiday now, there's nothing to worry. Just stay at home, helping my parents, then my younger sibling. Then in the evening in Maghrib, I go to the tepeki. Then I teach the little student, just yeah, just ikra in the evening from Maghrib to Isha. Then I come back to home at the 9 or 10 o'clock. Yeah, around this. Then I'm so sorry. Then after that, I just take a take no, not take nap. Just sleep. Then my about my hometown. Yes, as I say, my home located in the Karambokas village, Labu Api, West Lombok. So it's not far from the wind. Not far, just 10 minutes. Then in my home, sometimes I go to the beach, just 1 or 2 kilometers from my home. Then yeah, just relaxing there. That's it from my holiday. Then what is about my hobbies? My first hobbies is the listening music. Cause that I use headphone every day in the campus because I am so like the music, the kind of music I love it, like EDM, electric dance music, then the pop. Yes. Everything make me calming. Yes, just that. Then my second hobbies is the see at the sky and the rain because that is so make me feeling. Then yeah, oh yeah, my other hobbies is reading of Holy Quran. Yes, so don't forget to read the Quran, okay, every day. Don't forget. Then about my what is about my favorite food. My favorite food. As I say, there is a fried rice. The combination of the meatball, crunchy vegetables and mushroom. Oh, mushroom is a very good. I very like it. There's my mom. Okay, my favorite drink is the lemonade. Why I like it? Yeah, just delicious. Hey, I'm talking about my favorite drink. You make me I want it. Lemonade, lemon tea. There's lemon and or honey. I like it also. Always, I like it. Okay, that is all from me. Thanks for your kindness. Thanks for your kindness, miss. So, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.